Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Madnani and I'd like to welcome you to my practice. I'm a facial plastic surgeon and I have offices here in New York City and on Long Island. My practice focuses on facial rejuvenation. We do everything from facelifts to injectables and even skincare. So I'm just making marks on her face because we're going to be doing PrecisionTx. These are the squares. They're 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter squares, and they allow me to be more specific with the areas of the of the energy that I'm going to deliver, because I want to. It's a very good device, but you have to be specific, as with all the machines, with respect to how the machine is used. So we follow guidelines and we also follow best practices. So we want to make sure that I have a good guideline when I'm in there of what I'm going to be treating. So for her, she's complaining a lot of looseness and softness here. She doesn't want to have surgery, so we're going to be doing the PrecisionTx on the lower face. There's going to be an entry point over here, an entry point over here under the chin, and I'm going to go do the same thing on the other side. So these are the marks for the PrecisionTx, where we treat the lower face and the neck. Levanta el cuello. So this is the basic setup for the Smart Lipo. My patient's laying down here, nice and comfortable, everything is sterile. That's the device. This is the handpiece, the PrecisionTx handpiece, and the laser fires on the side here. So I can have these grooves over here, these chevrons, that tell me the way the laser's firing. Okay, so I angle the laser the direction, whether it's towards the muscle or towards the skin above, depending on which areas I'm treating. This is the device. The settings are already set up. If you want to come in here a little closer, I can show you that it's the wavelength on the laser here. It's a 1440 nanometer laser. That's the power that we use. And this is the power settings, the summary, so I know what I'm doing here. On the treatment here, I'm going to be doing about 4 squares, which is those squares that I marked off in the beginning, 500 joules per square. So it's going to keep me tracking. It also measures the temperature because we don't want to overheat. If we overheat, it burns. And the machine's on. We're going to hit ready in a second after I number. This is local anesthesia that we use. There's a certain amount I have to put per square. So I have the squares marked off on the face. It's about 5 squares for her with an extra little bits on the side. I know how much local anesthesia I need. You have to put enough of this anesthesia in order for the laser to function. So there's a lot that goes into this machine other than just putting a probe in there and lasering.